Home Show.
Stephanie from Sugarland has a question about a fuzzy floor.
Well, just look, Tom. Stephanie writes, our garage floor often has this efflorescence whenever it rains or it's cool. That's when it happens, right? It's causing the surface to chip, though, so she's got it pretty bad. It's kind of like eating the surface away. What can we do to stop this and repair the garage floor?
This is the easiest answer in the world. Paint it. It needs to keep the moisture from getting down into the concrete and causing the water to sit in there, and then, of course, feeding the growth, which is called efflorescence, and it is a fungus, believe it or not, that grows out of concrete. Not all concrete. Your neighbor might have none. You might have a ton of it. But if you wash the whole thing with some acid, actually, I'll say 1 part acid, 3 parts water, the same kind of acid used in a swimming pool, wash the whole thing down. If you have areas that you want to skim, float, and make smooth, you can use a vinyl concrete patch. Once that's cured overnight or a day or so, then you come back with a 2-part epoxy paint and you paint it, and you'll never have that problem again.
All right. You got a question? We'll give you an answer so you'll never have that problem again, just like that. Visit Home Show Radio, or at least we hope so. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out that Ask Tom form. Fill it out, send it in. We'll do a video like this, and we post them every day, 7 days a week, 366 days a year this year at Home Show Radio.
Really? Is that because of baseball?
It does, leap year.